let's go to the spillers OSI. Would you agree with me that there is minimal crush damage to that Jeep?
Yes.
And there appears to be little or no crush damage to that Jeep forward of the rear axle where a midship gas tank would have been. Isn't that correct?
From what we can see, yes.
And it appears the whole Jeep burned up. Right?
It appears so.
And let's go last to the turret. Well, not last. Almost last to the turret. Would you agree with me that there is very little crush damage to that Jeep?
Again, it's tough to tell, but that's what appears to be shown.
This appears to have been a low-speed impact, doesn't it?
Appears to be.
And the whole Jeep burned up.
Yes.
And let's go, this will be the last one to the Wolf OSI, Mr. Poston.
If you could use the yellow one now, please.
But my questions are written on the page. I'll pull them on. I'll show it to you. And I'm going to ask you whether you agree that's minimal damage, and then I'm going to ask you about your knowledge with regard to fuel leakage from this thing. And I'll ask you whether the definition of Lieutenant Jeffrey Hensel of the Atlanta Police Department. All right. Do you agree that the damage to the back of this Jeep Grand Cherokee is minimal?
Yes.
Did you know that even in with this minimal damage, fuel leaked?
That's my understanding.
Did you read the deposition of Lieutenant Jeffrey Hensel of the Atlanta Police Department?
No.
Would you be surprised to learn that in this Jeep Grand Cherokee, there was a hole in the gas tank causing gasoline to leak out all over the road?
No, that's my understanding.
That would not surprise you.
It would not surprise me.
Would you agree, Mr. Fenton, that if the tank fails at high speed and if the tank fails at low speed, the problem is not the speed, the problem is the tank?
I guess what I can tell you is what I analyzed in this case is that the speeds were extremely high and that it was the forces of the collision that caused the breach in the tank.
Well, we just established that the tank fails even at low speed, haven't we?
Under certain circumstances, it does, yes.
I mean, we looked at several of these wrecks and you even agreed that they were low-speed wrecks. You remember that, don't you?
Yes.
And even in those low-speed wrecks, the whole Jeep was burned up. Is that right?
Yes.
The whole Jeep was burned up in this case too, isn't it?
Yes.